So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight I want to share a very strict and shocking message known as, and of course, Sha'carri Richardson has for the whole athletic fans. Right? We all know that Paris Olympic is right before our own eyes. So in this video, what I'll be specifically doing is sharing every single detail known as and Sha'carri Richardson and their mission for Paris Olympic. So in case this happens to be your first time, before I continue, please do me a favor to first like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So normally, when a competition is about to take place, what athletes do is they shut their mouth up and allow their legs in track do the talking. But it's actually a different scenario, a different case for the USA 100 female and male athletes Sha'carri Richardson and known as. So we all know that Vogue and the US magazines have been promoting these two athletes Sha'carri Richardson and of course known as. So in those magazines it has been revealed that both Sha'carri Richardson and Nunes, they are aiming for a spot. They are aiming for the gold medal, right? And I was very shocked when I saw that was what Nunes and Sha'carri Richardson are coming after in Paris Olympic. Because normally, like I said, athletes don't say what they want, the position they want in Paris Olympic, whether it is gold, whether it is silver, whether it is bronze. What they do is just shut their mouth up and allow their legs during the competition performs. Even Usain Bolt, one of the greatest track legend, I think he doesn't usually predict what position he's going to get before a competition commences. But I feel like it's actually a different case for Sha'carri Richardson and known as the USA magazines and Vogue, the biggest fashion brand, revealed that both Sha'carri Richardson and known as are aiming for a gold spot, which means definitely those magazines might have sat down with these two athletes and asked them what position they want, and each and every one of them is aiming for that gold medal. And I feel like it's actually a warning to the Jamaican athlete to kind of tight their belt ahead of Paris Olympic. And I feel like this is actually a secret and cheat code for Sha'carri Richardson, for the Jamaican athlete, because now they know that these two athletes, they are not going to Paris Olympic to play, right? They are coming for the biggest spot. So we have to also prepare hard. I'm talking about Thomson and also Shericka Jackson and of course Shelly and Fraser. So they will have to kind of tight their belt so much if they want to meet up to the standard of this US athlete. Let me hear your opinions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.